forest guard from Assam. Nongpo MLA Mayralborn CM yesterday informed that the state government is in talks with the Regional Committee of Assam for fixing a date for second phase of border talks, which was put on hold due to the festive season. He said that the chairman of the regional committee, Preston Tinsong, and his Assam counterpart soon will meet for talks on the remaining areas of differences under the second phase of border talks.
The state government is in the process to fix a date with our counterpart, Regional Committee of Assam, because festive season is just over, Puja, Diwali and all in Assam. From our side, we have no issue. So the Honorable Chairman of the committee, our Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tinsong, is already in touch with the counterpart to fix the date for the remaining area of difference in phase 2 to be discussed. That is Bordoa, Nongwa, Mautamur, Desdomria and Block 2 in Driboy district. So we'll hope very soon the chairman will coordinate with the counterpart to fix the date so that we can move on with this issue.